So we're here at a property that's scheduled to go to closing in like 10 days. Coming to check to see if the repairs have been done. The bathtub spout is loose. Living room ceiling fan wobbles. Let's check that out. Supposed to be fixed. Let's see if it's wobbling. I can't tell if it's wobbling. Oh, it's wobbling.
It looks
It's
like
still
it's
wobbling.
wobbling.
Okay, so the alternative is that we replace it with a flush mount light. So that can be done. Bedroom light probably was the same. Bedroom ceiling fan missing glass. So they were looking for the glass here, but the owner said that that's the way that it's always been that way. That's the way it was when he bought the place. So we're probably gonna have to replace these two, both of them flush mount lights. So we had
Okay.
already discussed that.
Yeah.
They just need to be replaced. So
Yeah.
just let him know. And again, if he doesn't want to do it, we can have it done, and we can bill it and get billed and get reimbursed at settlement.
Okay, I'll let him know.
So let
I'll
him
let
know.
him know.
And he's probably for those two is probably to get a flush mount light and put on is probably $300 total for both. You know, $150 a piece. Flush mount, including flush mount light labor, say $350 for both.
Okay,
just in
so that's
case.
not bad. Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then GFCI outlets in the kitchen. Okay, so it looks like I guess we got the green light over there, green light there. So we got the GFCIs done.
Okay,
I guess
awesome.
that's probably the new one that was missing. So that's good. HVAC feels comfortable in here.
It feels like the air's on.
Right. Right.
Yeah.
And
Then
bathtub
the
spout. So the spout is loose. So the question is, how do we get the spout not loose? And caulking is probably not gonna do it. Probably what they need to do is they're gonna, if he doesn't want, he already made it clear he's not trying to really cut this open, because really this whole thing would need to come open because there's no access panel on the backside. Maybe they can use grout and kind of basically cement the spout to keep it from wobbling. But it says spout bath is loose, diverter and the spout is defective. It's defective. So probably what we would do is put a new shower head on. You can get that cheap. We're doing it for him. We're just gonna get a new set. And so in the process of them putting on the new set, they will mount the new set properly. So, I mean, that's what we're gonna suggest. That's probably with the set and the labor. I mean, he had previously budgeted $300, said he would give a $300 credit.
Okay.
So we'll tell him $300. We'll get a new set replaced
Okay, and then
get it mounted. Yep.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
$300 for that, $350 for the total for the two ceiling fans.
Okay, so we're looking at right around $650.
Yep, and reimbursed. He doesn't have to pay it, you know, we'll just get reimbursed. And then the last thing is the HVAC, which feels fine.
Feels like it's working.
But, and it's on. I'm not sure what they're looking for.
Yeah, I'm
That they're
comfortable
saying
with
is
it.
not, it feels fine. I'll put it on someone to see if cool air starts to come on. And then I heard something click on.
I'll check some of the other vents.
Okay.
Too. Okay, I definitely feel it coming out of this one.
I don't even know, do you know where the unit is? And the unit's on, the unit's working. The unit's blowing cold air. Oh, I found the unit. It's in this closet, but I mean, I think we're done.
Yeah, but I can't get this to close.
Oh.
It's like it's, okay, there we go.
All right, we can hit the lights.
All right.
Yeah, I think we're done here. So $350 for the ceiling fans, $300 for that. And I mean, and the HVAC seems to be working fine. I mean, it would be, I mean, so you see what I mean about like the access, the way the tub is like.
Right, they would have had an access panel down there somewhere.
Yeah.
Lazy Susan over there.
Yeah, it would have been impossible. It would have been very hard to get to anyway.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right, we're out.
All right, so I feel in here, like in the bedroom, where it's blowing out. Like here, I clearly feel something.
Okay, but
But
you
the
just
other
don't
ones, I
feel
don't
the other.
No, in both bedrooms, but the other vents, do you feel anything coming out?
It came
Yeah,
on like
this,
30
I don't-
seconds after.
I don't feel
You don't feel anything there?
Uh-uh.
It's a little less.
And then over, same thing.
Yeah.
in here.
But the machine is on that side, so it's gonna be stronger on this
On
side.
that side where it is, okay.
Yeah, see, it's stronger there than
Okay.
over here. Yeah, it's about the
It's,
same
it's
as
about
that.
the which
Yeah.
size, okay.
So yeah, I think we're done. Yeah, hopefully. So we just need we need the okay from the seller to give us the okay to get get those two swapped out.
Yeah.
He may try to do it himself, which I suppose is fine too. But yeah, we need to secure the faucet, and that caulking's not going to do it because it's still going to be a little while to caulk it, and he's going to need grout, concrete,
Yeah.
something so it doesn't move. All right, cool. Let's roll out.